In today's story, we meet Josh, a freelance videographer from Seattle who had always dreamed of living near the Mediterranean. He loved Spanish architecture, warm coastal breezes, and the vibrant creative culture. When his online business took off during the pandemic, he decided, you know what, it's time to take that leap. His top priorities, bringing his beloved motorcycle and his video editing gear. Josh reached out to SDC with a clear vision, but a lot of questions. He wasn't sure if he needed air or sea freight, what permits were needed for his bike, or how to ensure his gear arrived intact. Our experts walked him through every detail. We helped him ship his motorcycle in a 20-foot container with a secured mount. His camera gear was carefully packed, cataloged, and insured. We built custom crates for his dual monitor editing station and audio equipment. We advised him on custom laws for personal use tech gear, and we filed all necessary documents in advance. Josh chose our ocean freight service with end-to-end tracking. Everything arrived on time with zero damage, Josh told us. I was riding along the coast 2 weeks after landing. Now, Josh films local festivals, does client work remotely, and enjoys life in a city that sparks his creativity. Are you ready to move your ride and your gear to Spain? Call 844-651-7050.